All right, this is gonna be the fastest, easiest Kawasaki Ninja 300 battery change ever because I don't know if you guys can tell, but the shop is full of we got a dozen bikes in here right now. So yeah, let's just get this thing done, get it out of here. Okay, so step one, pop the seat off. Next, 4mm Allen. Hi, pup. You here to help? Hey, can you get your face out of here, please? Excuse me. Step three, do the same thing on the other side. Step 4, 5, whatever we're at. See that one bolt right there? There's one on each side. You take that off to get the seat off. Make sure these little bits don't fall out. So now we gotta get all this stuff off, which is gonna be easy. Slide it out and up, and there is your battery. So, gonna undo negative first. Gonna undo positive. That was the nut coming out, so that sucks, but we can get that later. Now, just pull this aside, reach in, and there's your battery out. So here's our new battery, also YTX9. I always recommend using Yuasa batteries. Another thing you can do to make life easy for yourself. Check this out, a little bit of brake hose, scissors, cut. Okay, put that aside. Show you what to do with it later. Brake hose, scissors, cut, beauty. All right, now we got our new battery and our new hardware. And what's gonna happen is underneath these nuts, we're gonna put little hoses to help them stay in place to make it easier for us to drop this in and out. So instead of just putting the nut in there, boom, we put that and see now, it's not falling out because the hose is taking up the space. Same thing on this side, nut on top of hose, stick it in there. It's a beautiful thing. All right, nothing is falling out. It's nice and good and stuck. So line up the same way, negative on the same side, positive on the same side as what we took out. Drop it in place. Okay, and what I'm gonna do here first, which other people don't, is this right here is a battery tender pigtail. And what this allows you to do is if you keep this part plugged into the battery and this part loose, you can just plug in this when you want to charge up your battery so it doesn't keep dying on you. You can have this part tucked away somewhere. Makes your life a lot easier. I'll show you how to install that right now. So we get one of our nuts, we go through positive first, go through the pigtail. I'll link in the description where you can get all this stuff through the terminal and onto the battery itself, which is going to be kind of tricky. So I recommend maybe just moving it around a little bit. There we go. And when you have the hose under there, this job is so easy compared to when you don't. Beauty. Okay. As for this side, get that negative terminal from the pigtail here. Then through the bike terminal, pop that into where your nut is. See a little spark, don't worry about that. Now, important thing is, make sure you get these good and tight, okay? You don't want them to come loose or your bike could die on you. I once had a bike die on me on the highway because my terminals came loose. And as for this, I'm just gonna run the wire probably right out like here somewhere. Before we put everything back together, let's just make sure our battery's good. Purrs like a kitten, awesome. Let's put things back together. So back over here now, this little tab, pop it in the hole. There we go. You might have to move the wires around from your pigtail if you installed one. Okay, get this screw back in place in the hole. So here's how I routed this, right? One wire around here, and then it's gonna come down, tucked under here, and then it just sticks out here, and I can plug in my battery charger in there. All right, so now to get your seat back on, Make sure you don't lose these little metal things here. Pop that inside your seat there in the hole. And then there's 2 hooks underneath here. You just hook it into these 2 holes right here. So we're gonna just, there we go. This was our 5mm. This one's a lot easier if you do it on the floor where you can see if you're in straight or not. What are you licking? Hey, stop licking the dirty floor. What are you doing? Hey, knock it off. Okay, it's nice and tight. Now we just gotta get our side covers on. We're good. So all you do here, line up the holes with the little pin sticking out, line it up, and just start popping it in. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Then lastly, a little screw right here, which is your number 4. Tuck away a little charging cable here so people won't even notice it. Like hearing that pop sound. Tells me it's a job done well. 4mm. Rear seat, you just slide backwards and pop down. Perfect. So if you found this helpful, this is my dog Paisley. I adopted her, she's a rescue. She's a good girl, but she's very hungry. So hit that like button. It helps me feed her, and she's a very hungry pupper. So yeah, if this helped, hit like. I got 1 or 2 more Ninja 300 videos coming up, so if you're into servicing this thing yourself, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Ride safe, but have fun.